हमारे चीफ गेस्ट आरईडी श्री अरिंदम सिन्हा सर के को एक गुलाब देकर करना चाहेंगे ताकि उनका स्नेह हमारे ऊपर ऐसे ही बना रहे।
Kudgi loves you. So this is was is and will always be remembered Kudgi. Sir, it's not done yet. We got one more rose also.
और हम चाहेंगे कि अब एक और गुलाब हमारी प्रिय अतिथि मैम रूपाली सिन्हा को भेंट किया जाए। लेकिन लेकिन ये गुलाब हमारे अरिंदम सिन्हा सर की तरफ से दिया जाना था मैम को।
ठीक है, बच्चों जोश में दे दिया, अब चल फरवा नहीं, चलो अच्छा है, मैम उससे भी खुशी होगी।
जिस तरह
थैंक यू किड्स।
जिस तरह हमारे आरईडी सर ने अपना पूरा जीवन एनटीपीसी को समर्पित किया, उसी तरीके मैम ने भी अपना पूरा जीवन सर को समर्पित किया। इसीलिए हम चाहते थे कि एक छोटा सा उपहार हमारे आरईडी सर की तरफ से उनको ऐसा रोज दिया जाए। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। और हम चाहेंगे हमारे छोटे छोटे नन्हे हाथ बच्चों की तरफ से हमारे मुख्य अतिथिगण सभी को एक एक गुलाब उपहार की भेंट की तरह से दिया जाए। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए।
Big round of applause to the guests who have been there since the beginning of the match and watching the entire match of throw ball as well football. To Priti Tiwari ma'am, with lots of love and affection by the small beautiful kids. Big round of applause to ma'am also. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, kids. Please be seated. May I kindly request our beloved HOP, Shri Madhu, yes, sir, HOP NTPC Kudigi, to welcome the gathering and the guest.
हेलो, सबको नमस्कार। 4 days, 17 games, morning, evening, all Kudgi and all guests thoroughly enjoyed, I hope. So, congrats to you and to you all. Our most respected RAD ER2 and SR, Arindam Sinha sir, President Dakshin Deepanjali Mahila Samiti, Srimati Rupali Sinha ji, respected GMO and M, Madam GMO and M, respected AP Tiwari ji, GMO Prashant FM, respected UK Jain sir and ma'am, dear representatives of union, association and other welfare bodies, all persons who are behind this program throughout 4 days and during preparation, and above all, our players and audience. thank you all for coming to Kudgi and making this program a huge event. Hearty congratulations to the winning team and all the teams. Your dedication, teamwork, and fighting spirit is truly set a benchmark and inspiration to all. As we come to the grand conclusion of this SRSM Southern Region Sports Meet 2025, hosted with pride by NTPC Kudgi, the atmosphere around here reflects us much more than the end of this tournament. It shows team spirit, discipline, determination, and harmony, the values that the company stands for. Over the past few days, this sporting arena in Kudgi, this witnessed a lot of performances, exceptional performances, healthy competition, and sportsmanship by all the participating teams. Ramgundam and Telangana, Simhadri, Vallur, SRHQ, and Kudgi. Each team played not only to win, but to inspire, proving that in NTPC, participation and united efforts matters much more. At this proud moment, it's my privilege and honor to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our distinguished guests who have graced this occasion and decided to be amongst us. So thank you all. We are deeply honored by presence of Arindam Sinha sir, our RED, a visionary leader whose guidance and commitment continue to strengthen NTPC's efforts, not only in performance, but also in all realms of company organizational activities. Sir, your presence today truly elevates us to highest level of inspiration, and we warmly welcome you to Kudgi again. We also extend a gracious welcome to Madam Rupali Sinha, President, Dakshin Deepanjali Mahila Samiti. Madam, your inspiring association with community welfare and other activities really brings warmth and grace to this occasion. I also extend my sincere thanks to our Ladies Club team members for making this occasion a grand event. SRSM 2025 has once again reminded us that sports build bridges beyond departments and regions, and it fosters teamwork, camaraderie, and mutual respect. As we conclude this memorable event, let us carry forward the spirit of fair play, teamwork, and perseverance into workplace also. This event has got a lot of hard work behind it, starting from the organization committee, the township administration committee, sports council, welfare bodies, security, catering service, and many others. And not to forget effort by our doctors and medical team. So we are to the conclusion of this event, and the best aspect is we don't have much casualty. Nobody is hurt too much. It was a safe and sound game. So congrats to all for making this event a large success and enjoyment for the last 4 days. So thank you. Good luck. Have a good time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for a warm welcome and also brief about the last 4 days.
हमारे प्रिय अतिथिगण और साथियों, आजकल हम में से बहुत से लोग इंटरनेट, सोशल मीडिया के प्रभाव में आकर अपना समय शारीरिक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य खो रहे हैं, और एसआरएसएम जैसी प्रतियोगिताएं उसे सोशल मीडिया के बंद दायरे से बाहर ऐसे अखाड़े की ओर खींचकर लाती हैं जहां हम सभी अपना पसीना बहाकर शरीर को बलिष्ठ और मन को सांत्वना देते हैं। खेलकूद प्रतियोगिताओं से मानव के अंदर अनुशासन और शिष्टाचार की भावना उत्पन्न होती है। यह अत्यंत हर्ष का विषय है कि नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस स्टेडियम कुड़की में वर्ष 2025 एसआरएसएम प्रतियोगिता का सफल आयोजन हुआ। यह हमारे सभी खेल प्रेमियों का उनके खेल के प्रति समर्पण का परिणाम है कि यह प्रतियोगिता बहुत ही रोमांचक रही। खेल ना केवल हमारा भरपूर मनोरंजन करता है बल्कि अच्छे स्वास्थ्य और उचित मानसिक चेतना के लिए भी आवश्यक है.
Ladies and gentlemen, this edition of SRS 2025 hosted two events, football for men and throwball for women. And we had conducted, the preparations not begin before 4 days. It has been almost more than a month. We have conducted a lot of exciting events to choose the logo, exclusive logo for our EDs also. So we have chosen a contest, exclusive logo, exclusive mascot, and also we had, because you can see the mascot over here, logo over behind you, so, and also your tagline to unleash the champion within. Our employees have given lot of inputs, and finally it has chosen selection committee. And to further proceed, 5 projects from southern region participated, namely Team Ramagundam and Telangana, Simhadri, SRSQ, NTECL Vallur, and Team Kudigi. In the football event, all the 5 teams represented, and throwball, only Team Vallur, Simhadri, and Kudigi represented. So after 4 days of event, today we had the finals of both throwball as well, because in the football it has conducted round robin, sir, single round robin in which all the teams compete against each other, against other teams, and in throwball it's double round robin, which teams will meet other teams twice. So top 2 league winners had competed in the finals. In throwball it was Team NTPC Simhadri and versus NTPC Kudigi, and for football it's Team NTPC Ramagundam and Telangana against Kudigi. Of course, the result is very much known to you all. So it was an exciting, fun-filled 4 days of football and throwball events, in which we can see a vast improvement of players' matches also. With those words, that's a short gist about what happened 4 days. Sir, our Kudigi is very much waiting to hear your words. May I kindly request the chief guest of today evening, Shri Arindam Sinha sir, RED, ER2 and SR, to deliver chief guest address. Big round of applause from the audience, because already, sir, one more important, sir, before that I have to inform, or else I will be not doing honest to what I am doing. Today morning, if you have missed, we had a special player participated again in SRSQ, none other than our RED sir, who was in the ground for 35 minutes, not that just for a guest entry. He has been 35 minutes running along with his teammates and assisting one of the goals scored by SRSQ, and that's why Ramagundam is here in the finals. So it was truly appreciable effort. You are not only as a guest but as also a player. So it's our team Ramagundam, team Kudigi, and every one of here like to hear from you, sir. Please.
Thank you, Annamalai. Great good evening to all of you. And it's a great feeling and great pleasure for me to be here after 6 years. I was here in the years 17 to 19 here. Lot of memories. When I came here yesterday, it was as if a homecoming. And when HOP Kudgi has invited me, I was very much eager to be present in this IRSM, and unfortunately I could make it happen and could enjoy these 2 days along with you. And on stage, our respected HOP Kudgi Madhuji, GM Madam, Santosh Tiwari ji, Madam Shantish Tiwari, Madam Rupali Sinha Madam, Agam Tiwari ji, Madam GM CNM, Madam Jain, all my senior colleagues sitting in front, ladies and gentlemen, union members from Union Association, last not the least, all the participating players. IRSM, definitely, IRSM, it is a championship of sports. But my belief is that it is not only sports, it is beyond. It is basically mingling together, working together as a team NTPC. NTPC, it's a matter of chance that somebody is working in a particular project, but in the journey of NTPC, people are working in so many projects. So it is a big family, and the association of each and every individual, along with their families, along with all the NTPCN, is very, very important. Because of late we have celebrated the golden jubilee of this company. The company was formed 1975. Recently, we have completed 50 years. This journey of 50 years definitely is very, very remarkable. And it could happen. This is a Maharatna company. It could happen only because of the hard work, passion, zeal of the employees and their spouses and the children's and the families. So it is a big family, and this type of association, this type of competition gives us the opportunity to work together, celebrate together. So I'm very happy. The team Kudgi under the leadership of Madhuji S. Madhu and the Sports Council of Kudgi had done a wonderful job, lot of preparation, lot of efforts. Thank you very much to support the region, to celebrate the regional sports meet in a great way, grand way. Coming to the players, I have seen two finals today. Morning there was one more match in football. The passion, the preparation, and the zeal that gives me the strength that NTPC has to scale new heights. NTPC today is at a company of 84,000 megawatt and wants to be double, wants to make it double by next, say, 8 years. So it is very, very important, the young generation of this company to take the company in the new height. And I'm very much sure the people are ready. And the company is future ready with all this, the young, talented staff, employees in its kitty. So I'll not stretch my speech here today because people are waiting for the celebration of the prize giving ceremony. But really, it gives me very, very great feeling to be in Kudgi in the same stadium, same township, so many known faces. I was really happy to be here and hope to be here in the coming days also. With these words, wish you all a very wonderful stay here, and New Year's is coming. In advance, I wish you a wonderful Happy New Year in the coming days. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Kudgi is also very much happy to welcome you back. And players, all you set for, and players and officials, are you set for the prize distribution ceremony? Only two time. What about other teams? Ramagundam and Telangana, NTPC Simadri. Are you ready? Yeah, that's the spirit. So here we go for the prize distribution ceremony. First it will be throw ball, followed by football. Okay. So I hand over the stage to our throw ball committee, consisting of Mr. Dharmaraj and as well Mr. Devendra Agarwal. It's over to them.
थैंक यू सर. गुड इवनिंग कुर्गी. जैसा कि आपको पता है, SRSM थ्रो बॉल वुमेन 2025 का सफल आयोजन NTPC कुर्गी ने किया. इसमें 3 टीमों ने, NTPC सिमात्री, NTPC वलूर, NTPC कुर्गी ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट को सफल बनाने के लिए हमारे रेफरी ने काफ़ी अच्छा योगदान दिया है, जिन्होंने तटस्थ निर्णय दिया है. तो हम सबसे पहले बुलाना चाहेंगे हमारे रेफरी MD यसीन को. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. काफ़ी अच्छे निर्णय, काफ़ी नई चीज़ इन्होंने बताई है, फाउल बताए हैं तीनों टीम को. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए.
मोहम्मद यासीन जो है बीजापुर का स्टेट लेवल का थ्रो बॉल रेफरी है. जब हमने इनको रिक्वेस्ट किया तब वो आए थे.
मैं RED सर, HOB सर, GM मोंडम सर, RED मैम, GM मोंडम मैम, GM ऑपरेशन एंड FM सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर कि अवार्ड सेरेमनी में स्टेज पर आए. सर तालियां बजती रहे. समीर सुल्तान, विक्रम,
मिस्टर
रोहित,
विक्रम,
मिस्टर रोहित, मिस्टर मोहित. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन सबके लिए. जैसा कि आपको पता है, टोटल 6 लीग मैच खेले गए थे। हर लीग मैच में एक मैन ऑफ द मैच है। तो पहला मैन ऑफ द मैच के लिए हम बुलाना चाहेंगे साथिया खातून मैम को, टीम एनटीपीसी कुर्गी से। दो सेट से टीम सिमात्री ने मैच जीता था। नेक्स्ट मैच में अनीता मैम। मैम, जोरदार ताली हो जाए सादिया मैम के लिए। पूरे टूर्नामेंट में सबसे अच्छी सर्विस, एनी गैस? सबसे अच्छी सर्विस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में, बिल्कुल सही कुसुमा मैम, टीम सिमाद्री। जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए।
बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर, बेस्ट रिसीवर।
इस थ्रो बॉल को सक्सेसफुली कंडक्ट कराने में हमारी काफी हेल्प करी है हमारे स्पोर्ट्स टीचर अजीत सर ने। एक बार जोरदार तालियां जाए उनके लिए। सर स्टेज पर आइए सर।
शील्ड ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
हाँ।
ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡು। एक्चुअली अजीत सर से जब हम लोग जाके रिक्वेस्ट किया था, हमारे पास टाइम भी कम था, इतना कम, लगभग ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 12 डेज में हमारा टीम को जीतने का लायक बना दिया है। सो वेरी बिग हैंड्स टू अजीत सर।
इसके अलावा पूरे टूर्नामेंट में 2 इनाम और है। बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर, एनी गैस? बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर कुसुमा मैम, टीम सिमाद्री। बेस्ट रिसीवर एनी गैस? सादिया मैम, जोरदार तालियां। किसी भी टूर्नामेंट में एक टीम हारती है, एक टीम जीतती है, पर आज दोनों टीमों ने सबका मन जीत लिया है। तो हम बुलाना चाहेंगे सबसे पहले आज की रनर अप टीम सीमात्री को। सबसे पहले उनकी कैप्टन कुसुमा मैम, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए। टीम सीमाद्री कुसुमा मैम, मीनल मैम, लक्ष्मी मैम, अलका मैम, रुक्मणी मैम, शिवानी मैम, आकांक्षा मैम और सोनी मैम। मेडल मेडल है, मेडल पहले इंडिविजुअल। कुसुमा मैम पहले मेडल मेडल मेडल। हाँ हाँ, इस क्रम में भेजते हैं। मैं बोलता जाऊंगा एक एक करके जाऊंगा। कुसुमा मैम, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए सभी। मीनल मैम, लक्ष्मी मैम, रुक्मणी मैम, अलका मैम, आकांक्षा मैम, शिवानी मैम। एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए इन सबके लिए। वक्त आ गया है रनर अप ट्रॉफी के लिए। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें टीम सीमात्री का। इस SRSM थ्रोबॉल वुमेन्स 2025 का रनर अप टीम सीमात्री। मैं RD सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि टीम सीमात्री को रनर अप ट्रॉफी देकर सम्मानित करें। थैंक यू टीम सीमाद्री। अब टाइम है विनर टीम के लिए। NTPC कुड़गी, मैं सभी खिलाड़ियों से अपील करूंगा कि स्टेज पर आएं। अनीता मैम, सुमिता मैम, रश्मि मैम, ज्योति मैम, लतिका मैम, जी शिवप्रिया, सादिया मैम, हेमावती मैम। एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए सभी के लिए। टीम कुड़गी। चैंपियन ऑफ SRSM वुमेन्स थ्रोबॉल 2025। अब मैं RED सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा मैडम तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए। अब मैं RED सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि टीम कुर्की को विनर ट्रॉफी देकर सम्मानित करें। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें टीम NTPC कुर्की, द चैंपियन ऑफ SRSM थ्रोबॉल वुमेन टीम 2025। कुछ लोग बैठ जाइए, कुछ लोग बैठ जाइए, आप लोग में से कुछ लोग बैठिए,
बैठेगा तो देखेंगे नहीं,
आप लोग कुछ बैठ जाइए,
दिखेगा नहीं। मैं उस साइड आती हूँ।
इधर आइए, आप यहीं बैठिए ना, यहाँ भी थोड़ा ऐसे करके बैठिए, हाँ बस ऐसे, मैम बैठिए थोड़ा हाँ। स्वागत करें टीम कुर्की का। ये टीम जो केवल 20 दिन पहले बनी, इन्होंने कमाल कर दिया और NTPC कुर्की के लिए, विनिंग टीम थ्रोबॉल के लिए। अब मैं इसी क्रम में आगे बढ़ते हुए माइक हैंडओवर करता हूं अन्नामलय सर को। सर,
Thank you, Devender, and thank you, Dharmaraj. Yeah, my Bipin, are you ready? Let's football play. Bah. Are you ready for football? Football players, cheer up, come on, where is sound? Yeah. Tajuddin Di, no music. Music तालियों से आना चाहिए, आपसे नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay ना? बस जब तक कंप्लीट होगा वैसे ही रहो. It's a request and as well order also. Fine. We got lot of prize for football. First and foremost, we like to honor the kids who had done a wonderful unveiling ceremony of this edition, all trophies and as well the medals. Do you able to see whom I am talking about? The kids who has unveiled the trophies, we will like to start from that. Okay, the kids who are the part of the unveiling team and also accompanied today all the players. It's going to be Janisha, Yashita, Anupriksha, Surya Gayatri and Shivanya. Big round of applause is wonderful kid because they acted beautifully. It's not just thing, they created an atmosphere to have that kind of aura around them.
जिस तरीके की जो एक अदाकारी इन बच्चों ने दिखाई थी, उस समय शानदार प्रदर्शन किया था, जिस समय पुरस्कार का पर्दापण हो रहा था, वो काफी अच्छा किया था। इन बच्चों की एक्टिंग को एक बार सराहना दी जानी चाहिए।
Yeah, बच्चों के लिए 2000 तालियां. These kids are wonderful. Of course, other kids also will be given. But we ensure they deserve to be here. That's why these kids are being honored here. Yeah, thank you kids. You can join your parents. I know in the cold you have been staying for long. Please join with your parents. Thank you kids. Please move on. Yeah, next is going to be again for audience. It's a mega predict and win contest. Before the start of the first kick of this edition of SRSM 2025 online competition was conducted for all the NTPC Kudgi employees and as well their families. If you are interested in statistical data, there were 141 entries to be exact, and mega prediction, and after that, out of that, 8 as predicted, Kudigi will win. Okay, in that, but no one predicted it's going to be 1-0. We got lot of other predictions like 2-1, 3-2, 3-1. So there are 2 correct predictions on 2-1. So we are going for the lot because 1-0 no one has given. So just nearest to 1, 2-1 in favor of Kudigi. Guys, we are going to, ready? Yeah, please. Sir, we would like to have a lots. So who is going to be? Sir, please pick one. The first number, name, whatever being picked will be the first winner. Yeah. So can you say the name? Yes, sir, Mike. किसका नाम है 2-1 कौन कौन प्रेडिक्ट किया हाथ उठाओ 2 इतना लोग तो नहीं है 2 ही लोग था आप सब लोग हाथ उठा रहे
It's Bopanna Chandrasekhar.
Bopanna Chandrasekhar. Yes, please on the stage. I think Bopanna has got lot of belief and as well firm thing that Kudgi will win. That's good, Bopanna. Nice to hear from you. Bopanna ke liye gift, please. Guys, gift. Bopanna ji is a very special gift, okay, because being mega protected before the kick of the ball, it's highly customized for our this SRSM edition. Sir, one more you have to pick up. Okay, just remove it, okay. Guys, please. Yeah, big round of applause to Bopanna, who has predicted before the kick of first ball of this SRSM edition. Next person. सर उसको एक और पेपर रहेगा सर को दे दो इज ओनली 2 more नहीं जस्ट ओनली पेपर दे देना नवीन कैन आई हैव यू ओवर देयर प्लीज नॉट विद ICH yeah sir that this is second person who has predicted obviously he will become second prize winner sir who is going to be the second winner so 3 prizes because people has to predict before the start of the tournament. So that is only one, sir. एक ही तो सर उसी को because 2 लोग 2-1 predict किया था. Who has predicted? Another guy who predicted 2-1. You sir, कदम सर है क्या? सर नाम कदम है क्या?
Vineet.
It's Vineet Kajbiye, the commentator who done a wonderful job. Sir, कदम sir.
अरे भाई ये तो ये है कमेंटेटर है
Yeah, he's done a wonderful job today on commentary. Congratulations, Vineet. Please, Rishabh. The next and nearest prediction was 3-2. Again, 2 people predicted. Out of this, only one is going to get prize. Who is that lucky winner? We have to see. Sir, again, one more small. You have got lot of draws, please, sir. Don't mind. Yeah. Only one winner here. No more. Only one. Yeah, ma'am is speaking. Rupali Sinha, ma'am. Yeah, please. Can you have the mic with ma'am? Mic, please. Ma'am, please announce the winner.
It's Gopidao Chatur.
Gopidas. Hari is here. Yeah, Gopi. चलो बढ़िया आ जाओ दौड़ गया ना come on run fast can we have the gift for Gopi huh? So congratulations Gopi. Next is going to be final spread and win contest because today we have got a lot of people excitingly participate after knowing that it's going to be between the finals between NTPC Kudgi and NTPC Ramagundam Telangana. Out of 141 entries, 8 as predicted exactly 1-0. So as usual, we have only got 3 prizes. So it's going to be a lot draw. Okay, we have got 8 people who all predicted 1-0. 1-0 for today's match. Offline. Okay, we got a lot of people. Let's see who is going to be lucky winner out of 8. Sir, we have to pick 3, sir. 3. Yeah, well, first 1, sir. You can pick 1. Sir, ko mic de do. Please, mic. The first winner for today's evening prediction is
Arnab Bhattacharya.
Arnab Bhattacharya, is he here? बाप रे सर तो पूरा कश्मीर से आया लग रहा है सर थोड़ा खोल के आ जाओ फेस नहीं दिखेगा नहीं तो फोटो में या दौड़ के आइए सर गुड बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू मिस्टर अर्नब भट्टाचार्य So the next lucky winner, yeah please. I kindly request Rupali Sinha ma'am to select the next lucky winner. Ma'am, please announce also. The next lucky winner of finals predict and win contest.
Shreyans Prajapati.
Shreyans, yeah, good. This wonderful kid. I think you are able to judge it before itself. Good, Shreyans, please on the stage. Big round of applause. A small kid who has predicted it's going to be 1-0. He has also got belief in Kudigi and he judged this before the start of the kick of the ball. And the final winner of this, Vinny is not a gambler. But I don't know what's going to be the prediction. Vinny, sir? नहीं है ना?
Shaurya Shashank.
Shaurya. Oh, good. Yeah, Shaurya, please, on the stage. He is running faster than most of the footballers in the ground. Yeah, big round of applause, Shaurya also. And for Vineet and others who are 1-0, we are sorry guys, only 3 prizes. Okay? Anyway, it's a good effort basically to make the audience be part of this one. And next we have got one more entertaining efforts for the click and win contest, sir. Basically to make the people more capture the moments. So for that, we have got multiple entries. And this is open for all the players of other projects also. Because whatever happened is only for MTVC Kudigi and employees. That we have got beautiful photos has been received, videos has been received. The first prize goes to, I will come from third place. The third prize goes to Madam Ashita, wife of Durga Nageshwar Rao. Madam Ashita, are we? Yeah, ma'am, please come fast. You can come that side. For a wonderful video capturing the. अभी देखो दुर्गा अभी एक्टिव में आ गई है. आ जाओ दुर्गा, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. दुर्गा का नहीं है, दूसरा गोल का है सर. Yeah, that's the first goal of the tournament scored by Vijay Rawat. Vijay, if you want, you can get that after paying service charges, both to ma'am and us also. Fine. The second prize goes to, he is from Simhadri because the players has got a very good camera and it's going to be Rohit Bise. Rohit is here? Yeah, Rohit, come on. Good, Rohit. They got a lot of very good photos, including Ramana. We saw one photo. He was tackling as if a Ronaldo. रोहित के लिए जोरदार तालियां because he captured lot of beautiful moments. I think substitute में बाहर बैठने से मैं थोड़ा बोर हो रहा था. I think he was taking lot of photos लग रहा है. Doesn't matter, but he was a very good photographer, Rohit. And the first prize winner of this click and win contest is going to be Mr. Aman Srivastav from SRHQ. Aman is here? Yeah, Aman, please come first. Aman के लिए जोरदार तालियां. You got one of your colleagues want to take a photo of you. Aman, stop, please. You have taken very good photos. Your photo somebody is taking. You have to wait for it. एक फोटो पर कितना भी लेने से अपना फोटो और कोई अच्छा फोटो लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, there we end with all these things. We are proceeding with the players and officials. Bipin?
अब मैं सबसे पहले बुलाना चाहूँगा रेफरीज को जिन्होंने इतना इम्पोर्टेंट अपना टाइम दिया हमारी टीम को और बहुत ही निष्पक्ष रूप से सारे फैसले लिए. तो मैं सबसे पहले बुलाना चाहूँगा श्री अनिल जी को. श्री अनिल जी, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए. चीफ रेफरी अनिल जी का.
All four referees. Yeah, the other referees are Mr. Abel Mobu, Amos Mobu, and Nathaniel, all from Miraj in Maharashtra. All 4 referees, can we have on stage? Mr. Anil, Abel Mobu, Amos Mobu, and Nathaniel. A big round of applause to conduct a fair and beautiful game. Thank you guys. We are very happy to have you here. And it is before going for the players, we have got one more special award. It's none other than our Ajit sir. Because special mention of him, right from the day we started coordinating all these activities, he was a part of technical team, guidance, inaugural ceremony arrangements, arrangement of referees, and arrangement of kits, inaugural ceremony, closing ceremony. He is one of the pillar, not just as a sir, but also as one of our team member. Ajit sir, can we on our stage, please? Kids, are you there? Balbardi School. Yeah, your sir is here. उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. Thank you, sir. Thank you for all your support, efforts, guidance. You have been a part of us, not just as a guide, but also as a person who works in the field. Yeah, now it's for players. Are you ready? Yeah, we got a lot of awards for players also. We ensured.
अब जिस घड़ी का सबको इंतजार था उसका समय आ चुका है और धीरे धीरे आप ही इन्हीं चुनिंदा प्लेयर्स में से जिन्होंने अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ खेल दिखाया है, मैं एक एक करके उनको बुलाना चाहूंगा. सबसे पहले हाईएस्ट गोल स्कोरर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट,
कौन?
एनी गेस?
मैगी नहीं था. एक्चुअली आज मैगी को स्कोर करने से मिलने वाला था, लेकिन मैगी आज है.
एनी गेस?
गाइस,
उमेश, दैट्स अ करेक्ट आंसर. उमेश.
उमेश के लिए जोरदार तालियां. He has all scored beautiful long range goals and he is one of the instrumental in the midfield. Unfortunately, yeah, please. Okay, there Captain Bondas is collecting. Fine, doesn't matter. उमेश को हैंड ओवर कर देना, हम पूछेंगे. Yeah. उमेश की तरफ से उनका कैप्टन बोंडास कलेक्ट कर रहा. Yeah, Umesh from Team Simadri. Okay, for the people who are here, Umesh from Team Simadri.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, इधर जाने से पहले सर आप ना एक सवाल जरूर पूछिएगा उमेश जी से कि वो इस सोने का करेंगे क्या. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा खेला उन्होंने.
जरूर पूछूंगा, जरूर.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो द नेक्स्ट.
Before that, we got one more award, player of today's final match. Any guesses? Obviously, the goal scorer. Ranjan Behra on stage, please, for the player of the match award. For the finals, player of the match award. Ranjan, jaldi aa jao. Come on. On the stage. Yeah, please. Ranjan के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Ranjan, it's a wonderful score you scored today. Okay, I think you'll remember for lifetime. थोड़ा side में. Thank you, Ranjan. It's a good, wonderful effort. Next is going to be the best midfielder of tournament. Any guesses, guys? One thing, let me make it clear. It's not based on the people who reach finals. Anyone across the all league matches who played wonderfully. Best midfielder. Any guesses from the players or audience also? Ramana was good had he played inside. He played mostly outside. Sorry, Ramana, please don't take it otherwise. But he has been wonderful today. Today you're on ground, you are wonderful, Ramana. That's a very good one. Yeah, who is going to be judge? Huh? Durga, no. I already cleared it. It's not on any finalists or winners. Best midfielder. From Team SRHQ, it's Pratap. Can I have anybody from SRHQ team to collect the prize on behalf of Mr. Pratap? Because the SRHQ team was awesome in the midfield. They had got a lot of short range pass as like the Brazilian team. Right? I think all the players will acknowledge that. Unfortunately, their defense and as well strikers were not so strong, but the midfield was awesome. On behalf of Pratap, his teammate is collecting.
So the next award is Best Defender. Any guesses, guys? Okay, one by one. There is a mixed sound. राजकुमार वाले पहले हाथ उठाए. Only you, sir. Two of you three.
अरे कम से कम टीम वाले तो उठो. All 11 has to 15 has to raise your hands.
सो प्रभाकर के लिए हाथ उठाए सबसे पहले.
वाओ. प्रभाकर आपका फैन फॉलोइंग बहुत ज्यादा है यार.
So being a democratic country, you are selected. You are the best man.
प्रभाकरन के लिए जोरदार तालियां. प्रभाकरन कल करके आना इधर. प्रभाकरन थोड़ा इधर आना. प्रभाकरन आपसे थोड़ा बात करना पड़ेगा हमको. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट गेम में ही उसका पूरा 2 स्टिचेस हुआ था. मैं राइट. बट स्टिल विद इन 15 मिनट्स ही वाज बैक इन 10 मिनट्स ही वाज इन ग्राउंड. आपसे बात करना मेरा दोस्त.
सर एक छोटा सा डाउट है सर. आप किस सीमेंट से बने हुए हैं? आपको कुछ होता ही नहीं. आप खड़े होते गेंद आपको लड़के 2 कोस दूर जाती है सर. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पे?
कुछ नहीं सर. मेन थिंग रनिंग एंड फिटनेस और कमिटमेंट. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
एक्चुअली प्रभाकर मेरा दोस्त है. वो ज्यादा बात नहीं करता है. जो बात करना ग्राउंड में आके दिखाता है. दैट्स अ गुड वन प्रभाकरन. प्लीज मेंटेन इट. यू आर द सेम गाय व्हाट वी मेट 15 years ago. हाँ, the next is going to be one of the most important award for the entire tournament. कौन सा award है?
Player of the tournament award.
Yes, it's going to be another guest, but not democratic. Let's see. Maggie, okay, Maggie के लिए हाथ उठाओ. Okay, we got some good numbers, but of course referee's choice is final. Okay, who else? Anybody wants to nominate anybody else? आशीष के लिए हाथ उठाओ. Equally, I think Suresh sir is also lifting for Ashish. Okay, sir, I like your respecting your opponents also. That's a good one, sir. Keep it up. Okay, who else? Anybody else? Ashish,
विजय.
Vijay Rawat और अरे कम से कम अपना नाम उठा दो ना. Karthik, okay, Karthik was also very good. Instrumental in the midfielder from the team SRHQ. 3. Then who else?
सर एक लड़का तो खुद ही अपना हाथ उठा रहा अकेले के लिए.
कौन है?
पीछे.
उसका नाम भी ले लो ना.
उसका
ठीक है
नाम
चलो.
नहीं पता मुझे.
The referees unanimously decided it's going to be Mr. Ashish from Ramaguntam, Telangana as a player of tournament. He has been wonderful throughout the tournament. Yeah, it's a very good, beautiful, designed, custom designed one for you, Ashish. Really, we enjoyed your game. Keep going like that. Yes, sir. आशीष के लिए जोरदार तालियां सबसे. इवन द ऑडियंस. इस चिल क्लाइमेट में थोड़ा ताली बजाने से अच्छा रहेगा आपको भी कंफर्टेबल, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं. आशीष थोड़ा नीचे. ठीक है आशीष, तो अगेन बात करना पड़ेगा. ही विल अगेन कम बैक. ठीक है आशीष, अभी तो जाइए. विल अगेन along with the team will be discussing with you. And the final one for the individual player award is team, that is SRSM Football 2025 Golden Glove Award for the best goalkeeper.
Any guesses guys?
Only 5 लोग हैं. 5 में सेलेक्ट करना. Sorry? पकिया. Okay, 1. Sorry? Okay, समाल. Okay, सार तो कोच था. कोच को हम नहीं देंगे. हम तो गोलकीपर के लिए बात कर रहा है. और सुरेश, प्रकाश. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. नो अदर. आई थिंक ओनली 2 टीम्स. एसआरएचक्यू कोई नहीं क्लेम नहीं कर रहा है क्या? राघव. ओके, गुड. बट द रेफरीज हैव डिसाइडेड ऑलमोस्ट क्लीन स्लेट विद ओनली 1 goal गिवन फॉर द ओपोनेंट. इट्स गोइंग टू बी प्रकाश दावर्ते फ्रॉम टीम एनटीपीसी कुडगी. प्रकाश, कम राउंड, कम. यू गॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल ग्लव्स. क्या कैप्टन को लेने के लिए बोल रहे हैं क्या? आ जाओ आप कैप्टन ले लो. नो गोल गिवन. सॉरी. ओके, नो गोल गिवन. ओके, सॉरी. फाइन, लेट मी करेक्ट इट. नो गोल गिवन. इट्स अ क्लीन स्लेट फॉर मिस्टर प्रकाश. But we also like to acknowledge the team Simhadri's goalkeeper also. He has done a wonderful job. Okay, Simhadri goalkeeper also awesome. Lot of good, beautiful saves. But nevertheless, Prakash made sure. Prakash, आपसे भी कुछ बात करना चाहता है. आ जाओ.
So प्रकाश जी, कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आपको?
मैं मेरे कोच को धन्यवाद दूंगा. एक्चुअली जब सिलेक्शन हुआ तो मतलब डाउट में था कि सिलेक्ट हूँ या नहीं, लेकिन कोच ने जो 10 दिन जो ट्रेनिंग लिया, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड किया. फिर भी मेरे से कुछ गलती हुई, अभी इम्प्रूव करूँगा.
नहीं, हमें तो हमें तो लग रहा था आपने दस्ताने में कुछ चुंबक वगैरह छुपाया है, बॉल आपके हाथ से आ जा रही है, जा नहीं रही है आपके हाथ से छूट के।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बस वो कॉन्फिडेंस था।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
Can we? Whether coach is here? Team NTPC कुड़गी coach. सर थोड़ा एक बार उठ जाओ. Yeah, coach के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Because when the player instantly credit all the efforts to coach, it's a good one. प्रकाश वो गिफ्ट को आप रखेंगे, coach को दे देंगे. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, fine. So now to the teams and the awards. It's going to be runner-up team of this edition of SRS 2025 Kudgi football tournament. Can we have the captain Ashish first, please? Only captain. Captain, जोरदार तालियां, please, because it played beautifully here. Yesterday's match, I thought you are very awesome. It just here and there, but you would have been wonderful. The scores would have been different had you made some efforts, better efforts. Okay. So Ashish ji, we want to like to hear from you. Okay, it's a tough effort, I know. Sometimes losing is always a difficult one, but nevertheless a part of life. Hope you will, being a sports person, you will understand that. What could have gone something different so that the score lines would have been different, you would have been the other side?
I think half of my team is new. This is the first time they are playing football, sir, here. And physically they were better than us. That's the only difference that was there in the game.
Okay, it's a physical duel. Fine, okay. But nevertheless, you are very fit and you have been leading the team from front. It's a great effort and we thoroughly enjoyed your game also. Even though Team Kudgi won, but doesn't matter. But you thoroughly led from the bench and I am sure we wish you all the best. Can we have the team Ramagundam and Telangana? You please stay here. Don't go anywhere. Ramagundam and Telangana, you will be invited to collect your runner-up medals. Let me announce the name. Please come.
संबित कुमार समल,
Sir, please, you go ahead. Yeah, you can first give it. First you give and then go this side.
विनोद कुमार नेक्स्ट,
Guys, please fall in time, same time, fast, make it fast. So go top, so.
दीपक
please-
रंजन रे, दीपक रंजन रे, राजेश, अभय सिंह,
Fast, fast, fast.
देवव्रत, विकास पटेल, वेमला कुमार,
Come on, guys, fast. Cheer up, come on. Big round of applause to the team. They had done a beautiful game today.
अविनाश महापात्रा, आशीष कुमार साहू, हरिवर्धन, प्रशांत के हरिबाबू एंड आशुतोष नायक.
Last but not the least, the captain Ashish. Because you got something more to collect, Ashish. Okay, that's why you have been called last. And Ashish, you should be very much thankful to our RD sir. Because today you are in the final of his effort to draw the match with SRHQ. Okay, that is SRHQ has drawn with Simhadri, that's why you are here. But you should be happy for that. And you should thank him also. Because till the last moment, we have been in doubt who is going to face Kudgi in the finals. But nevertheless, great effort and they have been doing. Last but not the least, the captain Ashish. Ashish, you got something more. Yeah, photo ले लीजिए, अपना ले लीजिए. Can we have team manager also? Team manager of Ramagundam and Telangana. Okay. फिर एक और medal दे देंगे आपको. Fine, sure. I hand it over to him. Another medal to team manager. Come player also. Guys, collect your trophy first. Yeah, come on, all the team players. Only थोड़ा सा नीचे रखे. First collect कर लीजिए, then we'll have the runners board also. Guys, all the slightly बैठ जाइए so that the guest will also be seen. Being a player, you should be more flexible. Come on. Rajesh, थोड़ा और बैठना पड़ेगा. Something more. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, big round of applause to team Ramagundam and Telangana, of course, who has done a wonderful job and made Kudgi run for money today. It's not an easy thing. Till the last moment, we have been still dying moments. They kept on trying. Runners board, please. उनको ही दे दो. They will hold it. You can come back. दुंडप्पा वरे बरी.
वेल डन गाइस.
Finally,
बहुत ही अच्छा कंपटीशन था. एक टफ टक्कर दिया आप लोगों ने एनटीपीसी कुड़की को.
Ramagundam Telangana, जोरदार तालियां. Everybody over here. Come on, put your hands together. One big applause for team Ramagundam and Telangana. Yeah. Yeah,
तो अभी जिसके लिए पिछले एक महीने से हमारी टीम मेहनत कर रही थी, उनका इंतजार खत्म हो गया है और मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा हमारे टीम के कैप्टन, सबसे अनुभवी खिलाड़ी प्रसीद सर को। प्लीज वेलकम। सर, 2 वर्ड्स, कैसा लगा आपको, कैसा लग रहा है और क्या आपने सोचा था कि आपकी टीम इतना अच्छा कर पाएगी?
So first of all, congratulations to Ramagundam for this well effort and well played, guys. Ramagundam, well played, guys. It was an awesome match. अब पकिया जो बोला था, एक बात बोले देखिए, मतलब हमारा कोच के बारे में। जब हमारा कोच आया था, बस हमको कोई कोच नहीं मिल रहा था, बहुत लेट में मिला, 10 दिन पहले कोच मिला। जब कोच आया, मैं बोला हमारा टीम का सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत है, वी डोंट हैव ए गोलकीपर। हमारे इधर गोलकीपर कोई नहीं था। एंड ही टोल्ड कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आई विल मेक इट। उसके बाद हमारा प्लेयर्स को रूल्स, हाउ टू प्ले, एवरीथिंग वाज मेड इन 10 days एंड इट इज़ ए प्रॉपर एफर्ट एंड डेडिकेशन ऑफ 10 days। लोग जो टाइम पे आके इधर जो मेहनत किया है, इट वाज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट एंड वी न्यू वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट। इट वाज एन ऑसम एफर्ट गाइस, इट वाज एन ऑसम वन।
बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस मेरी तरफ से। और
एक नहीं, इसमें और एक बात है कि मतलब दिस वाज लास्ट ईयर वी हैड द ARSM। सर हम कंडक्ट किए थे बैडमिंटन, टेनिस एंड TT। तो टेनिस क्या है, हमारा फाइनल नहीं हो पाया। सो 2 टीम जो फाइनल में आया था, बोथ वर डिक्लेयर्ड जॉइंट विनर्स। इन TT, सिमाद्री वन अगेंस्ट कुडगी एंड टुक द कप। इन बैडमिंटन, रामगुंडम वन अगेंस्ट कुडगी एंड टुक द कप। And this was the payback time this year. This year, our women has won against Simadri and taken the cup, and the men team has won against Ramagundam and taken the cup. And this was the payback time and an awesome feeling for us. But that's it. Thank you.
तो अब मैं एक एक करके अपने सभी साथी खिलाड़ियों को बुलाना चाहूंगा। सबसे पहले प्रकाश, सुरेश सर, विजय मैगी, विजय रावत, गजानन सर, दुर्गा सर, रंजन बेहरा जिन्होंने विजयी गोल मारा आज, राजकुमार, वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट डिफेंडर वी हैव, संदीप।
come on, everybody join your hands. People over there and this side, join your hands.
The
Put your
wall
hands
of
together.
NTPC कुड़की। धर्मेंद्र, मैं जानता हूं इस लड़के को बहुत दूर तक फेंकता है। आकाश,
ज्यादा बात करके आपको ही फेंक देगा।
पांडे जी, 1 versus 3 क्लच प्लेयर। अनुज, धर्मराज सर, and the last Vikas, please come, and team manager हरी रेड्डी।
उनके लिए जोर। एक्चुअली हरी के बारे में एक इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग है, जो खेला उनके लिए एक मेडल मिल रहा है, जो मैनेजर बन के आया उनको 2 मेडल मिल रहा है। क्या हरी सही है ना? नहीं है क्या? ठीक है, हम तो आपको दे देंगे, ओके ना, डोंट वरी।
And the last प्रसीद सर, प्लीज।
क्या प्रसीद? और देयर मेडल तो उधर मिलेगा, हम तो ओनली भाषण ही देंगे। Yeah, please. The beautifully designed trophy exclusively for the winning team of this edition of SRS 125. Of course, एक मिनट वेट कर लो माँ. Just, I think Prashid himself hearing. Yeah, Prashid, you go for the trophy, being captain. Babre, he's going to make some. This, he'll give some praise. Come on, जोरदार तालियां. Woo! Come on, everybody join. Big round of applause to team. Guys, आपका गेम से भी है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. Everybody please be seated. We got champions board also. एक और बैठना पड़ेगा आपको, बैठो. Big round of applause to team Kudigi with their champions trophy pose. This is one for the lifetime. Thank you guys, well done and a wonderful effort. Enjoy the evening. Last but not the least, I kindly request our head of HR to Sri SVD Ravikumar sir to propose the vote of thanks. Ravikumar sir.
Namaskar and good evening. Respected Arindam Sinha sir, Regional Executive Director, ER2 and Southern Region. Madam Rupali Sinha, President Dakshin Deepanjali Mahila Samiti. Sri Madhu sir, HOP Kudgi, GM O&M, GM C&M, GM Operation and FM, all family members, Union Association representatives, and all the people present here and children. With immense pride and gratitude, I have the honor to propose the vote of thanks on a successful conclusion of Southern Region Sports Meet 2025, graciously hosted by NTPC Kudgi. At the very outset, heartiest congratulations to all the winners of football and throwball. Your determination, discipline and exemplary sportsmanship truly reflect the spirit of SRSM. We express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed Regional Executive Director for his visionary guidance and for giving NTPC Kudgi the opportunity to host this prestigious regional event. Sir, your encouragement and leadership have been cornerstone of the grand success of SRSM 2025. We are equally honored by the gracious presence and the constant support of Madam Rupali Sinha, President Dakshin Deepanjali Mahila Samiti. Ma'am, your presence added grace, warmth and inspiration to this sporting celebration. Our sincere thanks to our senior leadership, HOP, GM O&M, GM C&M, GM Operation and all HODs for their guidance, administrative support and unwavering encouragement, which ensured seamless planning and flawless execution. I extend sincere appreciation to all participating teams from Ramagundam, Telangana, Simhadri, Vallur and Kudgi, SRHQ. You all have enriched this meet with your energy, camaraderie and true team spirit. We also acknowledge with gratitude the valuable support of our union and association representatives whose cooperation and involvement contributed significantly to the smooth conduct of the event. As a special note, there is an appreciation to all the organizing committee members, sports council, executive members, coordinators, volunteers, officials and all support teams. Your tireless efforts, meticulous coordination and behind the scenes dedication made this event truly memorable. Finally, our heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly towards making SRSM 2025 a grand celebration of sports unity and the vibrant NTPC spirit. With this, we bring the Southern Region Sports Meet 2025 to a proud and successful conclusion and leaving us with memories, stronger bonds, and a true essence of sportsmanship. Jai Hind and Jai NTPC. Thank you, sir.
Can we have all the committees members on stage, please? We like to have group photo. Sir, just 2 more minutes, if you don't mind. So basically, Aridi sir, just 2 more minutes, don't mind, please. We like to have a committee photo. All the committee members on stage, please. Because these are the people who have worked tirelessly for the last 15 days, not 15 days, rather more than 20 days, so, and make it happen in a wonderful this thing. Guys, please take your seat. All the committee members on stage, please. Can we have all committee members, infrastructure, logistics, reception, football organizing committee, throwball organizing committee, every member on stage, please. Big round of applause to these people also. Yeah, roti or makan ka food and accommodation. Yeah, please, we will not forget you. Guys, आप लोग बैठना पड़ेगा. Yeah, I'll join, please. I'll make sure everybody is on stage. Guys, everybody on stage, please. All the committee members. Purchase also. Purchase committee is there. Whoever is available, please join for a group photo. And the younger guys, and please be seated. चाहे तो मैं भी नीचे आता हूँ. All the committee members, please do join over here. And a big round of applause to all the committee members because they work tirelessly. They come before the match starts and they go after the match ends. So उनके लिए जो available है जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए. For all the members over here. So thank you. There we come to the conclusion of this edition of SR 2025. We kindly request Team Ramagundam and Simhadri to conclude their events also. We are eagerly looking forward for it. With that, we are signing off and thank you. Bye-bye.